Good morning, students. As you can see, last time I had explained you up to question number 3, okay, up to here, and I had said that from question number 4, that is 3 term, I will be explaining you later on. So you can watch it. Today's with a different type of recording. I am here to explain you. If you will see, there is 3 different denominators: 12, 16 and 24. Okay, so we had taken the LCM of these 3 denominators, 12, 16 and 24, that is 48. Okay, and what we had done, we had divided 48 with 12. Okay, so 12 for the 48, so with 4 I had multiplied its numerator, that is 7 for the 28, and I had written over here 7 for the 28. In same way, 48 divided by 16 gives 3, so I had multiplied its numerator 11 with 3 and it became 33. Okay, and in same way I had divided 48 with 24. This is divided with this. LCM should be divided by all denominator. Then it became how much? 24 to the 48. So with that I had multiplied 9, and 9 into 2 it becomes 18. So now what we have done, we had added this all. If you will see, 8 3 11, 11 and 8 19, 9 carry 1, and 1 and 1 2, 2 and 3 5, 5 and 2 7, so it becomes 79 by 48. Now we had changed this into mixed fraction, that is 131 by 48 becomes the answer. Okay, in same way, if you will see question number 5, okay, there is also fraction addition, that is 5 3 are 15 and 4 19, and 10 to the 20 and 3 30, 23 I had written. That is, this is the question. Okay, the top one is the question, and below one I had changed it into what? Improper fraction, just by multiplying in this way. 5 into 3 plus 4, that becomes 5 into 3 is 15 and plus 4 19, so 19 by 5, and 10 to the 20 and 3, so 23 by 10. In same way, 15 1s are 15 and 1 16, so 16 by 5. And then after we had taken the LCM of 5, 10 and 15, which is 30. Okay, now 30 divided by 5, it will become 6, so 6 into 19, we can multiply it. 9 6 are 54, carry 5, and again 6 1s are 6, and 5 11 is there, so 114 is there. You can multiply even in rough if you can't be able to multiply it on with your mouth. So here again we have divided 30 with 10. Then when we divide 30 with 10, then what happens? It becomes 3, and 3 into 23 is how much? 69. In same way, again 30 divided by 15, it becomes how much? 2, and 2 into 16 is how much? 32. So 2 multiplied 16 gives 32. Now if you will see, then all the I had added all the terms, that is 114, 69 and 32. You can see 9 to 11, 11 and 4, 15 5, carry 1, 3 1 4, 4 6 10, 10 and 11, it is 21. So 2 1 5 you can see at the top, and below 13. So both are reducible by 5. So what I had done, I had reduced 250 with 5. So 5 4 are 20 and 5 3 are 15, so 43 at the top and 6 5 is 30, so 6 below. Then I had changed this 43 by 6 with into what? Mixed fraction. So 7 6 are 48, 7 6 are 42, and 1 43, so it becomes 7 1 by 6. I hope you all are understanding, and even I am being able to point out, so you might be watching it clearly and watching over here. Earlier in earlier video also there was pointer, so with that pointer I used to point. Now if you will see question number 6, okay, question number 6, you can just watch it. Okay, in next page might be I'll show you the page of these all questions. Yes, question number 6 is over here. Find the difference is there, and as first and last question I had made this 1 number and 6 number I had explained you earlier. So now I will be explaining you 2, 3, 4 and 5. These are all questions I had explained in this. I will be explaining you in today's video. So you can see question number 2. It is 5 by 6 minus 3 by 4. We have taken the LCM of 6 and 4, that is 12. Now 12 divided by 6 becomes 2 and 2 into 5 is 10. So I have written over here 10. In same way 12 divided by 4 will be 3 and 3 into 3 is how much? 9. So we have written over here 9. Now what happened? In middle there was minus, so here also it is minus. So 10 minus 9 is 1, so 1 by 12 becomes answer. Okay. Now if you will see question number 3, the question number 3, one term is in mixed fraction, that is 3 1 by 5. So I have changed this mixed fraction into improper fraction, that is 5 3 is 15 and 1 16. So 16 by 5 I had written, and next term I had written in the same way, that is as it is minus 7 by 10. You can see over here. So what I had done, I had taken the LCM of 5 and 10, that is 10, and I had divided 10 with 5. So 5 to the 10 it is, so 2 into 16 we had multiplied. So 2 into 16 is 32. Okay, and again when 10 is divided by 10 it will become 1, and 1 into 7 is 7. So it becomes 32 minus 7, that is 25 by 10. Then we had reduced it with 5. 5 5 is 25 and 5 to the 10. So what happens? It becomes 5 by 2, as you can see written below over here, 5 by 2. And now when 5 is divided by 2 we get 2 to the 4 and 1 remainder, so at the top, and divisor is 2. So 2 1 by 2 becomes the answer. If you will see question number 5, here it is 3 3 by 10 minus 1 7 by 15. So what it is? 10 3 is 33, 10 3 is 30 and 3 is added, so 33 by 10 minus 22 by 15 is over there. So if you will see, when we take the LCM of 10 and 15 it becomes 30, and 30 divided by 10 is 3, so 3 into 33 is 99, and 30 divided by 15 is 2, so 2 into 22 it becomes 44. So I written 99 minus 44, and when we subtract 44 from 99 then we get how much? 55. So here you can see I had written 55 by 30. Now again here also even you can reduce it with 5. Okay, here also you can reduce it with 5. It will become 11 5 ja 55 and 6 5 ja 30. You can write it as 11 by 6, and you can change it into mixed fraction, that 6 1 ja 6 and 5 by 6. And if you had not changed over here, then simply you can divide it with 30, then it will come 31 ja 30 and 25 as a remainder. So 125 by 30, and here I had reduced it with 5. 5 5 is 25 and 5 6 is 30. So at last in both the cases the answer will come same, that is 1 5 by 6. This is the answer. Now here comes question number 7. Students, two questions from each number, and if it is word problem then alternatively I had solved each and every question. I hope it becomes very easy in this lockdown to study for you, because all and every question I am solving and explaining you. So it doesn't mean that simply you copy from the PDF. You just understand and then you make by yourself. And for checking the process you can watch the PDF or answer. Even you're in answer key you can match it, and if there will be any problem, okay, then you can consult me or comment me on my YouTube channel. Okay, so now let's see question number 7. Okay, now before 7, this all I had explained, yes, up to here. So 7 number, what is question number 7? Let's see. I will take you to the book page. Question number 7 is simplify, from which 1 and this 3 number I had explained. So this time I will be explaining this question number 2. So let's see question number 2. here it is 8 minus 4 1 by 2 minus 2 1 by 4. So I had changed all at first into improper fraction, that is 8 by 1. You can see over here nothing below, that means 1 is there. 4 to the 8 and 1 9 by 2 I had written, and in same way 4 to the 8 and 1 9, so 9 by 4 is over here because here it is denominator 4. So now what we are doing, we will take LCM of 1 2 and 4, that is 4. As you can see I had written it down. Okay, so over here this is taking LCM of 1 2 and 4, it becomes 4. Okay, and when we divide 4 with 1 we get 4 of course, and 4 into 8 is 32, so I have written 32. Again when we divide 4 with 2 we get 2, and 2 into minus 9 is minus 18. In same way when we divide 4 with 4 it is 1, and 1 into minus 9 is minus 9. So what it happens, 32 minus 18 minus 9. Okay, so now from 32 when 18 goes, it becomes how much, 18 and 14 if you will add, you will get 32. So 14, when from 32 we will subtract 18 we will get 14, and from 14 when we subtract 9 then we will be getting 5. So it becomes 5 by 4, and it is also improper fraction, so we will change it into mixed fraction by dividing. So I divided 5 with 4, so 4 1s are 4 and 1 remainder remains, and 4 is divisor, so it becomes 1 4 by 5. Okay, in this way you can simplify 3 terms and even more than 3 terms also. Now after this, question number 8 was the word problem which I had explained you earlier. So 9 it was left, so I will be explaining you 9. If you will see the question, here it is, a rectangular sheet of paper is 15 3 by 4 centimeter long and 12 1 by 2 centimeter wide. You have to find its perimeter. For this, students, you should remember the formula that perimeter of rectangle is equal to 2 times L plus B. That is, you have to remember this. You might have read it in 5th and 6th class also, and here also in solution I had written, you can watch it over here. Yes, here I have written length of rectangular sheet is what it has given, 15 3 by 4 centimeter. Okay, breadth of rectangular sheet as it has been given 12 1 by 2 centimeter, in the question it is given. Then I had written, so perimeter of rectangular sheet P is equal to 2 times L plus B. This is only the formula. And what we will do, in place of L we will be keeping 15 3 by 4 centimeter, and in place of B we will be keeping 12 1 by 2 centimeter. Centimeter in common we will be writing out, as you can see over here I had written out, and then we had added. At first I had changed it into what, improper fraction, that is 15 3 are 45 and 4 49, so 49 by 3 plus 12 2 are 24 and 1 25, so 25 by 2. So what it happens, it becomes 2 times 49 by 3 plus 25 by 2 centimeter. Now what I had done, I had taken the LCM. You can see LCM of 2 and 3 is 6, and again 6 is divided by 3, then it is 2, so 2 into 49 is 98, and when 6 divided by 2 it is 3, so 3 into 25 is 75. And what I did is, I had just written with the multiply sign so that we can cut 2 and 6, so 2 3 is 6, up and down it is reduced also, so I had written 2 3 is 6. And then after I had added this 98 and 75, if you will see 8 5 13 3, 9 and 7 16 and 1 17, so 173 by 3 it has been written, and then after it has been changed into mixed fraction. When you will divide it, 5 3 are 15 and 2 and 3 23, so 7 3 are 21, so 2 remains as remainder, so it becomes 57 2 by 3 centimeter. Okay, So in this way you will be solving the problem, word problem. As you can see, in word problem you have to write the statements. So here these all are statements only. Okay, by writing statements only you will be solving. So now after this question number 9, again I had said alternate questions I had made. So 10 has been made, and if you will see over here 2 questions in this exercise, it has been left for explaining. I will be explaining now itself. Let's see question number 11. What is there in 11 number question? What should be added to 7 3 by 5 to get 18? Students, if you remember, last time also I had said you that when it is said to be added, but that means by adding the number increases. So what we get, that becomes total. Added to get 18, that means 18 is total. And it has been said 7 3 by 5 should be added. So one number is 7 3 by 5. So next number becomes what? Total minus one number. So what we had done? We had subtracted 7 3 by 5 from 18 to get the another number. You can see over here I had written required number is equal to total minus given number. So total is 18, and 18 minus 7 3 by 5. So 5 7 5 is 35 and 3 38 by 5. Now we have taken the LCM of 1 and 5. Nothing below means there is 1. Okay, so 1 and 5 LCM, it becomes 5. And when 5 divided by 1, then it becomes what? 5, and 5 into 18 is what? 90. So I had written 90 over here. And then again 5 divided by 5, it is 1, and 1 into minus 38 is minus 38 only. So 90 minus 38, it is 52 by 5, and when 52 is divided by 5, it becomes 10 2 by 5. So this is how we will be doing question number 11. And at last you can write it in full sentence, that as I had written over here. Hence 10 2 by 5 should be added to get 7 3 by 5. So added to 7 3 by 5 to get 18. In this way you can write statements, because it is word problem. So final statement answer should be there. Now if you will see the last question of the exercise, that is question number 13. 14 15 16 already I had explained you earlier. So let's see, a piece of wire that is 3 by 4 meter long broke into 2 pieces. One piece is 1 by 2 meter long. How long is the other piece? It has been said. Now just see, this whole piece wire length is given. Whole wire length is given, that is total length we are knowing. And 1 by 2 meter is of length of broken piece. Okay, so length of broken piece is how much? 1 by 2 meters. So what we will do? Of course, from total we will subtract the one portion length, then we will get the next portion length. So same thing I had done over here. You can see I had written here length of other piece is equal to total length minus broken piece. And total length is how much? 3 by 4 minus 1 by 2 meter. That means 4 3s are 12 and 3 15. So 15 by 4 minus 3 by 2. Now we have taken LCM of 2 and 4. So 2 and 4 LCM, it will become how much? It will become 4. And 4 divided by 4 is 1. And 1 into 15 is 15. In same way 4 divided by 2 is 2. And 2 into minus 3 is how much? Minus 6. So 15 minus 6 is how much? 9. And so 9 by 4 meter becomes our answer. In this way we will be solving. Okay, and at last I had changed it into mixed fraction. You can see 4 2 is 8 and 1 left as a remainder. So 2 1 by 4 becomes mixed fraction. Okay, and last statement you can see, in this way you can write the statement. Hence length of other broken piece is equal to 2 1 by 4 meter. Now you can see I had written the note, and this note is product of fractions, multiplication of fraction. Students, if you will see the next page of the book, it is about multiplication. So you can read this note and even you can refer to the book note. Book note has been only copied. So product of fraction is equal to what? Product of numerators by product of denominators. Okay, that is what? A by B, if it is multiplied with C by D, then it becomes A into C by B into D. Now in same way, when you will see over here, we define A by B of C is equal to A by B into C or C into A by B. Okay, in same way, if you will see over here, two fractions are said to be reciprocal of each other if their product is 1. Two fraction, this reciprocal, it is said about reciprocal, that means this is a further exercise for the division purpose. Okay, so if you will see, two fractions are said to be reciprocal of each other if their product is 1. In general, reciprocal of A by B is B by A, and reciprocal of 0 does not exist. What happens in reciprocal? This numerator becomes denominator and denominator becomes numerator. Okay, this is only the reciprocal. And when we multiply also, suppose if it is I had said the product of two reciprocals are is equal to 1. So suppose I had written A by B, reciprocal is B by A, then what happens? B will be cancelled and A will be cancelled, nothing will be remain. That means how much is equal to 1 will be left. So reciprocals when it is multiplied is 1. And generally when it is said to write the reciprocal of 8, okay, then 8 is what? If nothing below, that means there is 1. So reciprocal of 8 becomes how much? 1 by 8. This is what? Reciprocals of 8 is equal to 1 by 8. You can't write 8 by 1 is equal to 1 by 8 because these two are not equal. But yes, of reciprocal of this, you can write reciprocal of 8 by 1 is equal to 1 by 8. Okay, so if you will see the same thing, it is in the notes. And reciprocal of 0 does not exist. Do you know why reciprocal of 0 does not exist? That means 0 means what? You can write 0 by 1 or any number also. Okay, but when this reciprocal becomes what? Numerator will go up and denominator will come down. It will become 1 by 0. And something by 0 is what? Something by 0 is infinite. It is represented by this. This is the symbol of infinite. So it has been said does not exist. Infinite means, of course, that does not exist only. Why? Because the see, if you will see over here, okay, 1 by 0, that means with 0 how many times we will multiply 0 so that we will get 1? There is no any such numbers which when it will be multiplying 0, then we will be getting 1. So it does not exist only. There is not any such number does not exist. Now we will go towards the text. As you can see below, what I had said, that is only what I had written in note, that is only explained over here. Product of fraction is equal to product of their numerator by product of their denominators. Thus A by B into C by D is equal to A into C by B into D. Now here you can see it has been given. What it has been given? Multiply examples. 5 by 8 into 3 by 4, it will become 15 by 32. Okay, 3 by 5 into 4 by 2, that means it will become 3 by 4 into 5 by 2, it will become 3 into 5, 15 by 8. Here also you can even reduce up and down. 8 1 the 8 you can write up, and 8 to the 16 below, then it will become, okay, you can reduce up and down, that you have to understand. Okay, so if you will see, these are the questions. In next page there is solution of these all. Example 1 you can see over here. I hope all of you can see it. Yes, 5 by 8 into 3 by 4. What happened? Numerator are multiplied and this becomes the answer. Okay, 15 by 32. If you will see here, 3 by 4 into 5 by 2 is there. Up it is multiplied. 3 into 5 is 15 and 4 into 2 is 8. And it has been changed into mixed fraction. 8 ones are 8 and 7 remainder. So 7 is up. 1 7 by 8 it becomes. If you will see question number 3. In question number 3 it is 9 by 16 into 8 by 15. So 9 by 16 into 8 by 15 is done over here. You can see. And it has been reduced up and down. 8 1 is 8 it has been written and 8 2 is 16. These both are reduced by 8. And these two are reduced by 3. 3 3 is 9 and 3 5 is 15. So from here remains at the top, if you will see, 3 into 1 3 and 2 into 5 10. So it becomes 3 by 10. So reducing can be also done. Okay. Now if you will see question number 4, it is 5 by 12 into 9. Of course, if there is nothing below, that means there is denominator 1. And same thing it is written over here, 5 by 12 into 9 by 1. So this 9 and 12 has been reduced by 3. You can see 3 3 is 9 and 3 4 is 12. So it becomes 10 by 4. Sorry, 3 is there. So 5 3 is 15. By below 4 into 1 is 4. So 15 by 4. It becomes 4 3 is 12 and 3 15. So 3 3 by 4 becomes answer. So this is the way how we will be multiplying. There are several examples given. If you will see over here, here is multiply in mixed fraction. Here also multiply in mixed fraction. Here is also multiply in mixed fraction. So if you will see, okay, then what it has been done at first, mixed fraction has been changed into improper fraction. 9 7 is 63 and 5 68. So 68 by 9 it has been written over here, and into 3 by 2 is there. So what it has been done, 3 and 9 it has been reduced by 3. You can see here 3 1 is 3 3 3 is 9, and 68 and 2 has been reduced by 2. So 2 1 is 2 and 2 34 is 68 it is. So 34 into 1 is 34 and it is 3. So 34 by 3 it is. You can see 11 3 is 33 and 1 34 by 3. If you will see question number 2, what is there in question number 2? In question number 2 it is 9 3 by 8 into 12. So 9 8 is 72 and 3 75 by 8 it is into 12, and below nothing is there. So that means there is 1. If nothing is below, that means their denominator is 1. So same thing it has been written over here, and up and down it has been cancelled. 4 2 is 8 and 4 3 is 12. So it becomes how much? 3. So 75 into 3 is 225 by 2. You can see it becomes 112 1 by 2. Yes. Now if you will go in question number 3, you can see over here it is what? 6 11 by 14 into 3 1 by 2. What happens? 14 6 is 84 and 84 plus 11 it is how much? 95. As you can see here it has been written 95 by 14, and 2 3 is 6 and 1 7. So it becomes 7 by 2. So up and up it has been multiplied. 95 into 7 by 14 into 2, and 7 and 14 it has been reduced. 7 1 is 7 and 7 2 is 14. So at the top it becomes 95 by, and below it becomes 4. So when we will divide it with 4, what will happen? 4 2 is 8 and 1 and 5 15 will be left. So again 4 3 is 12 and 3 is remainder and 4 is divisor. So you can see in this way it can be solved. Okay, there are many examples as you can see. So in next video I will be explaining you remaining example, that is example 3, example 4, then after use of off, how the off is used. If you will move further, there is example 6 also, example 7 also. Too many examples are there. If you will watch this all examples, and if you will listen it properly, and if you will be understanding these all examples, you will be easily able to solve these all whole exercise, although there is one more page of the exercise. So till, because I am not solving this, so I will be not I had not given another page also, but these all will be being explained to you in next video. So till then, take care, stay at home, okay, do the work properly, and try to be smart in this lockdown, overcome your all shortcomings, and be prepared. Thank you very much.